How to create colourful rippled designs like this in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the gradient tool in the tools panel and then go up here and select a very colourful gradient, one of these ones, a spectrum, a rainbow, and apply. I'm using blending mode of normal. However, once you've applied it once, next thing to do is go over here and go for difference. And you can apply it. Now I'm using linear, you could use radial, etc. And just apply it multiple times. Once you've done that, the next step, go to filter and down to distort and wave. So with wave, you can see straight away you get this. However, it's a very, very small preview and you can randomize it. You can click there, though to be honest, the variations are not particularly great and hard to see with that. However, you can modify the amplitude and you can create a variety of different designs. And again, you can see it there. I would suggest keep the generators about 5. You can push it up to 10, 15. It doesn't look good. And I'm going with sign. And I'm using repeat edge pixels. Click OK. And there's that. However, next thing to do is to go to edit and down there to fade wave. And I like this one. It's always good because you can go through a whole range of different options. It's a pity that the fade is not available in the actual tool itself. That would make it even more interactive. But I would suggest go with lighten. Lighten is a great one because what happens is you end up with seeing obviously the lovely colours behind there as well as the wave effect, but not so pronounced. You can also change the opacity if you wish as well. I'm just going to keep it 100%. Click OK. Once you've done that, go to filter and stylize and oil paint. Set stylization about 9.3, 10, just set it to max. Cleanliness to the max as well, 8.7, etc. None of the other settings make any difference. Lighting is turned off. Click OK. And you can apply it a couple of times. Once you've done that, well, you can do the same. Go to filter and down to distort, and again wave, and you can see the result there. Again, you can modify this, you can change the wavelength, and you can create literally infinite amount of designs, all based on that earlier gradient. Again, keep everything much the same. 5, I think pushing it too much if you go further, and you've got that result. And again, go to edit and down to fade wave. Go down here to lighten, and you can then see the result blended there. And again, now you don't have to go with lighten. You go maybe with difference, and you can create a different result. That's the great thing about the fade. You can try them out. The one that I showed right at the start was using difference, but lighten's great as well. Overlay, etc. Just try them. Click OK. Again, filter and stylize and oil paint just to smear it. It's a pity there's no algorithms that you can tweak. It would be great if there was more features in this. I would love that, but still, it always generates much the same sort of effect. Then go to image, auto tune, tone even, image, adjustments and levels, and just tweak it, make it a bit brighter. Just a little bit, and then click OK. And there's your end result. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.